Hello and welcome to Gran Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Gran Dama machine, and let's go ahead and pull it shut. So you get a nice shot of espresso. I'm just going to adjust the grinder here. Looks like we could go, I'm going to go to setting 5 just to get it a little darker. I don't want to go too fine because the customer is using pretty oily beans. You can see these are the beans right here, and the grinder is likely to get clogged if I go too fine with such oily beans. Actually, Delonghi recommends not using beans this oily, but you know, to each their own. I mean, I don't know how old this machine is, but the customer's probably been using it a long time without problems. But if people start having problems, if it's a new machine or if people start having problems, then I recommend they go to more of a medium roast. So thank you for pairing with Gran Coffee. Please like our videos below. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.